Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on TECNO Pova 6 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to settings. Then go to Google Assistant and click on Hey Google and voice match. Now click here to enable Hey Google and then click on more and I agree, then click on more and I agree again. And now click next. Then click next, more and I agree. And now click on retrain voice match model and say, OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click next, then click next again, more and I agree. Now you can go back and then click on lock screen and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. OK Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.